let's do a quick and dirty look at the Aguei 100 watt solar panel. This is my first 100 watt solar panel, folding solar panel, man. I'm in there, you know what I mean? Will it convert me to being all about the portable versus the rigid? You know what I mean? I don't think so. Oh, I got the 50 watt over here just chilling. And then I got the 100 watt up here charging the Aguei portable power station. All right, so I'm impressed with the quality, guys. The only thing that I don't like, just at the onset, check this out. This freaking plastic on here, like, what is that? It's some type of protective film, but this is why I don't like it. The perfectionist in me, you're supposed to pull it off, right? But I don't know how they did this. Like, what am I supposed to do here? Can you see that? The plastic is kind of, I'm gonna have to get in there with like pliers and all kinds of stuff to get this stuff up out of here. I can't stand that it looks like that. It does have kickstands on it. It has two. Let's throw the kickstands up. There's no reinforcement here. It's something that I noticed. That's what the kickstands up. Hey, you know, that's okay. Now, y'all let me know, because these kickstands feel a little funky. But if I'm being completely honest, which I always am, that's how it look when y'all be setting up these folding solar panels. This is how they look to me. It's freaking plastic, man. I can't get past this plastic. Figured I'd come out on the balcony to talk about the cables that come with it. All right. Little pouch on the back. They do say that the dip is waterproof, but of course the junction box is not waterproof. I like that it comes with a 5521 cable. It's a short cable though. That cable's only what, 5 feet? I guess you'd have to get like a 5521 extension cable. Then you got your 5521 port, you got a USB fast charge, you got a USB normal, like slow, whatever. No USB-C though. You know, that's not a good look. I'm not gonna have my stuff outside charging via USB-C anyway, but that's just something that y'all need to be aware of. It comes with these adapters you can throw on the top. That's gonna be your jackery. I'm sure that is probably 5525, which is slightly bigger than the 5521. And then it has a 5521 to Anderson, which I could plug right into the Aguei. I don't think I have anything else that uses Anderson. Now I'll tell you this, I don't like that this thing doesn't use MC4. My problem with that is you can't put a clamp meter on any of these cables, so I can't really measure the output. So here's the downside, Aguei, to your whole situation. Your portable power station doesn't tell me the watt input, and there's no way for me to measure it. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use the competition's portable power station to tell me how many watts your thing puts out. It's looking like this is hitting for $215 on Amazon. It is on sale right now. It's a 100 watt panel. I mean, I don't think it gets much. You don't have to be too picky about them. We're gonna look at the output in a second, and then we'll go from there. Another downside is, as far as I know right now, I can't use this with my EcoFlow. I have to use it with my EB70, which kind of sucks. The only way I can see doing that is I did look up an XT60 to Anderson. So I'd have to spend money to use this on my EcoFlow. I'm not a fan, man. You just gotta put MC4 cables on your panels. It's just like, keep all that other stuff to yourself. All right, let's go do a test. So I'm gonna put the EB70 on it. I'm gonna put the fake jackery, the wackery on it. And you can see in here, I got my rock pals doing this due diligence, charging up everything else. And I'm gonna put this Go Labs on it and see what they all, because all of these show solar input in some capacity. So let's get to it. Shoot, you know what I just realized? I gotta peel this plastic off of here before I can use it. Dang it. All right, so I'm gonna do that first and then I'll test. Freaking plastic. I wonder if I'm missing some obvious way to get this out of here easily, because I don't see it. It's not easily discernible how you get it out. I just came over and try and get a little bit of a hole in here. It's like there's nothing easy about this. like, what are you supposed to do with this? This is so stupid. Alright, that's the finished product after I peeled it all off. It don't look half bad, but you know, I'm a perfectionist. I get in the details. You see that and that and that. Not a big fan of that, but I'll live. Oh, this is the sun conditions. It's a little bit hazy out. So I'm pretty sure the power is gonna be inhibited a bit. Let's do the little Go Labs first. Maybe hard to see, but it's at about 50%. Okay, there's a light. 42%. Open up this here junction box. Now the interesting thing about this one is it may have an over voltage error because it has a funny range of voltage input. Yeah, as I suspected. But you can see that it's charging, right? So after the voltage kind of evens out, it gets a little normal. Pulling in 53 watts. Can you see that? This one is limited at about that much, so that doesn't surprise me. So let's move right along. Pretty good though, 53 watts. Portable panel, I could take with that one. Get it 53 watts, good money. Let's do fake wag jackery. So in this situation, we gotta put the adapter on it. Just make sure it fits. And it does. Now this one can take up to 100 watts, purportedly. Now this one is blinking, kind of showing that it's not charging. I wonder if, yeah, it says 12 to 24 volts. That shouldn't be a problem. It's not doing anything. Well, I ain't gonna waste my time with this. Let's move on to the EB70. The light just came on. Now you see the thing is moving, but it's not showing any input yet. Just quite odd. What the heck is going on? Oh wait, look at this. Boom! Even though that shouldn't matter that it was covered up like that. Nothing. Plug it out. Plug it back in. $24. 51, 52, 53. I'll let it settle for a little bit, get out of the sun. Come check on it in a second or two. 60 watts on a dash. I could live with that. Like I said, it's a bit of an overcast day. Let's see what kind of power the poly's pulling in. I'm gonna go get my 4-way and plug it in there. I don't want to, but I will. Or maybe I'll just do it right there to make it easy. Because that Rock Pals adapter right there is a pain to get off. Alright, here we go with the 4-way dip. I'll put a link to this in the description if any of you guys want to grab one. This one, still pulling 60 watts. Let's put this one on. That's a good thing about the 4-way. Is the 4-way got all them plugs on them. We're gonna use the 5521 here. 39. Oh, my head is all in the shot. All in the panel. So 40 watts. Interesting. This brings me to a observation I forgot. This is a 100-watt panel. That's a 120-watt panel. So this panel is actually putting out more power than that one, which makes sense. It's a bigger panel. So 120-watt Aguei, that's what I call them, panel. I mean, for a folding panel, it's pretty good, man. I could travel with this super easy. I still want that 50-watt from SunPower. I think that one's really interesting. But what do y'all think? What do y'all think about the Aguei? It's on sale right now too. So it's not a perfectly sunny day, but yeah. It has the ETFE coating on it. You can feel the bubbles, or they may, yeah, they say it's ETFE or whatever it's called. Impressive. All right, I've holla.